You said 7 o'clock. You said it. You said 7. It is 7:22, and I'll not have it.
I can't predict what the Arizona Highway Department of Transportation is going to do.
No. Hey everybody, it's Greg from the Friday Forge, and interesting enough, this is the first time I've bought paint, and my wife and I didn't have an argument. So, if nothing else comes from this video, I at least score a win there. Also, stick around for the bloopers at the end. So, who is your daddy, and what does he do? And that's probably what 916 subscribers that we have, probably mostly bots, but you're probably wondering, what does the Friday Forge do? And for the last few years, that's what Brigham and I have asked ourselves as well. Needless to say, our channel's pretty erratic, and a lot of our subscribers come through many different attempts to define what the Friday Forge is. We have 275 videos, the vast majority of them being shorts, and you, like us, are wondering what we do. And basically we had to go through a process to throw enough at the wall and see what stuck. And mainly because we wanted to see what you liked, but also what we liked. Everything from knife making, which was the original idea of the Friday Forge. We actually called it the B&Co knife. See, I can't even remember it. It's been that long. It was the B&G Knife Co. And we liked it. We had fun with it, but we never finished any of our knives. They're actually still sitting in the garage on my workbench. So that didn't last long. Then we really started thinking, well, let's do some epoxy tables. And we actually still have a table that we need to finish that we started, I don't know, a year and a half ago. And so we liked it, but the market is extremely saturated. So then we thought, chessboards. People love chessboards, and I love to watch Would You Make It? And he does some exceptional chessboards. Subscribe to him if you've not. And we still want to do chessboards, but that didn't really work either. Then we got into leather making, and that's kind of where things started to take off, especially with our Glowforge. Our successful video is showing how to make leather patches for your hats. So I kind of joked one day to Brigham, I'd really like to make a book. But no, because I really don't want to go down that path. Well, after the leather kind of took off, you enjoyed the videos, we sold a few of our wallets, it still was just missing something for us. So one day, Brigham made a book, and, well, we're bookbinders now. But still, what do we do, and what do we hope to provide, and what value do we want to offer? Clearly, we're not desk bookbinding. That's self-evident in our last few videos. And we're not as ornate, or I don't even know the word, but yeah, I guess ornate as 4 Keys. So where does the Friday Forge sit? Now, Brigham probably has a different idea slightly than what I see the Friday Forge as. And that's okay. We actually don't argue because there's nothing to argue about yet, which is a good thing. But I think what I want the Friday Forge to become is infotainment, if you will. You're going to learn some things, and you're not. I can't tell you everything there is to know about bookbinding because I don't. So as you, the viewer, and as me and Brigham, the presenter, let's go on that journey together. And you leaving comments and us making mistakes will grow. And I think that's what's fascinating. Even in the bookbinding subreddit, it's great to go in there and see all the different ideas and the suggestions. So let's bring that here. So that's all well and good. We're going to make some content for you, but still, what can we provide in value? Well, not only do we have books that we can sell you and make for you, but if you're here, you probably already are making books, or you're just going down the rabbit hole that is YouTube. Trust me, many a nights I've spent up till 4 a.m. on a work night just going down that dark hole. But we offer bookbinding tools that were made by bookbinders. When we started looking on YouTube, we saw some people that were making bookbinding tools, and quite inspirational for us. But the presenter said that he's never made a book. Well, don't sell me something that you haven't even done yourself. So this isn't going to be a do as I say, not as I do. We're going to use our tools, you're going to see us use them, and you're going to know they work. So on Etsy, we have everything from budget punching cradles and stitching frames, finishing presses, nipping presses, and they vary from cheap all the way up to some of them being very expensive, with the hopes that you start with us at the beginning stages and then you grow with us. And I think that's what I want to see the Friday Forge be. And Brigham may vary on that opinion, but I think we're fairly aligned that we want you to come to us when you're brand new and then leave us after us providing enough value to where you can go into our shop and go, yeah, I will buy that walnut finishing press because I've grown enough and I deserve it. So enough hearing from me. I want to hear from you. Brigham and I's goal this year is to make a video at least twice a month. So the next few months we have quite a few ideas and some awesome stuff coming up. Like, very, very, very excited. And that's why we renovated my kitchen, to make it more appealing, more visually appealing, but provide more value to you. So what do you want to see from us? What books do you want to see us bind? Which tools that you as a bookbinder want to have but nobody is providing? Leave those messages here in the comments and let's engage. Follow us on our social medias. We're there almost every single day. Subscribe to the subreddit, subscribe to DAS, subscribe to 4 Keys, subscribe to everybody. And let's learn. And I think 2024 could be everybody's year. Thanks for watching.
that one in there.
Yep. I threw that one in.
There's an outtake for you.
Yep.
Musings from Greg.
I'm not having that up, dude. Giddy up, dude.
How come that one's not on? Did you do it wrong? So much pressure down on it.
But I know that you do.
Gonna have to edit that out. Potty mouth.
Potty mouth.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? You got it?
Yeah. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Ow!
Did you just iron yourself?
No, my sliver.
That's injury number like 20?
Yeah. Those ICBMs keep us free. The cinematography's ours. Look at it go. Don't even pan. Just let it. Yeah. I mean, the cinematography is ours. Cinematography. Oh, thanks. You just rammed me, dude.
What?
You just jabbed me with your.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You're making that up.
Yeah, well.
Didn't do a gosh dang thing.
There you go. You do know it.
It's been, dude. I'm on such a dopamine high right now. Take out the audio.
Yeah.